gabegu iya, gabegu I. There is a way iya. Together, Imbagada, under this gather, we are gather with the Huda. One name, puru puru, one name, puru puru, one name, puru puru. Ayaburu cannot do, ayaburu cannot do. Hey people, what's popping? Kilo shele, ogini name. Let's go there. You guys, Uma knows this song very well, right?
Yeah, you don't have.
Yeah, like she even knows it more than me right
yes,
now.
Because I've been watching it.
You guys, just take a look at these asas.
I want to stand up and show it to them.
Like.
I don't even know if they see us properly, but yes.
Yeah. So you guys, I'm with Uma now. We are in the Igbo mood as Umuwa for Igbo. As Igbo girl. So Uma, introduce yourself because some people may not know you.
Hey people, I'm from Nedima Arima. If you're new to this channel, I know you've seen me for the first time. So I'm Dara's friend. This is my second time on her channel.
Oh, this second time will be third time. Because you appeared in one vlog.
Yeah, appeared in one vlog.
No, you appeared in the Anambra wedding.
That's your wedding now?
Yes. Then you appeared in one vlog.
Serious?
The collab. Then this is like the fourth time or fifth time. The vlog did I 8 pieces again now?
Okay, this is the fourth time. I've already lost count of the number of times I've been on her channel. But yeah.
So Uma and I have a very spicy video on our channel. Like you guys, you know I always save the best for the last. Yeah, so the video on her channel is so spicy. This one is just the tip of the iceberg. We're going to be preparing for the princess coming back.
I'm going to be the princess wife.
I'm going to be the queen.
I'm going to be the princess wife. Oh my god, that dance step we practiced the other time. We're going to show them shaking.
We're going to be like, you know, we're still sitting down with these outfits and you're wondering why we are putting them on.
Oh my
it's because we're going to be scattering everywhere with some spicy Igbo dance steps like General Muno Yega Begu. Muno Yega Begu. Muno Yega Begu Mali General. There is no Mune Kwe. So you guys should just get ready. Like you guys immediately are done with this video. Rush back. Or if you are so impatient, you can go and watch it and then come back. Continue this one. Anyone. Just make sure you don't miss that video because that video is the real deal.
Spicy.
So yeah. We're here with mango. We're going to be mukbanging on some spicy sherry mango.
Found only in Lagos State, Nigeria.
Yes, the best mango on earth.
If you've not tested cherry mango, you can ask us. We can actually weigh it down to
you guys. I've wasted munching my
Dara, she bought it for me. Oh,
sorry.
She bought it to my house.
I bought it for her. See, so spicy.
You guys, just watch me bite it.
So, Uma, you grew up in an Igbo home, Abi?
Yes, sir.
Bini? Okay. I mean, I grew up in Lagos. So how do you feel like growing up in an Igbo home? Like, what was your best song growing up? Your best Igbo song?
Thinking of the best Igbo song that they even told us.
Let me see my own
song. Yeah, I think say yours.
Onye gabegu iya, gabegu iya. Onye gabegu iya, gabegu iya. Mma gabegu iya, gabegu iya. There is a way iya, gabegu. You guys will see the rest of the dance. These are the dances I'm going to say for you guys. What do you love the most about being Igbo?
I don't know if I've told you guys before, but being an Igbo person gives you this sort of royalty prestige, right? When they call you Umasa.
Oh,
Igbo. When I went to camp the other time, you know, we went to this particular camp, all the Igbo girls together. They said Igbo people. You need to see the prestige they came out working with everybody together. That prestige and pride of being an Igbo girl, and a fine one at that.
Oh
my god!
So, what are your favorite Igbo foods?
Abacha with garden egg, assorted kanda or pomoles put on top of it.
Kanda?
Oh my god! I miss Enugu Abacha. God, the first time I had Enugu Abacha, I went back to the same store over and over again to get it. I just wish this is what we are eating in place of this one because it's the perfect meal for this particular. I love okpa, but it makes me purge when I take it.
Serious?
Yeah, when I take it like on an empty stomach.
Is it got by soup?
Anambra okpa.
Is it got by that is real okpa now?
Are you serious?
Is it
I've not had any
please
okpa.
let us know in the comment section if you know that Enugu okpa is the best. Let us know. Okpa is like Enugu is the origin of okpa.
What about abacha?
Enugu too. Now Enugu get abacha.
Like
Enugu has so many delicacies. Akidi, ayarayaji, ayaraoka. What they have so many delicacies in that Enugu state.
Hey guys, don't say we didn't share. We are sharing with you guys.
So personally, I love okpa so much.
Oh my god, my sister's favorite.
Well garnished okpa
with sweet corn. Those I don't know if it's sweet corn in it. Your my auntie will make with. She puts a lot of stockfish inside.
Oh my god.
Hey god, Cheta, my sister, if you're watching this video, I still don't know why you hate ukwa right from when we are kids.
As in,
I still don't know.
Look at somebody hates ukwa. I'm always surprised when I hear that somebody hates ukwa. I can't eat ukwa. I can't smell ukwa. I've seen people that don't like ukwa.
Anytime I have ukwa at home, she's eating noodles or yam and egg.
Abomination.
My mom would tell her, you don't know what you're missing. I don't even know. She does not know what part of Igbo she came from. And she's not an Igbo girl.
You like Olugbo soup? I don't know why I don't like Olugbo soup.
You don't like it? Why? I love it.
Except the one my cooks.
Well prepared.
His wife, she's from Anambra. You know, Olugbo belongs to Anambra State.
Serious. Me, I don't even know what native food belongs to which state. All I know is that when they have those certain kind of.
You don't know that Olugbo is from Anambra?
I don't know. I was thinking it's like every Igbo people, that's their meal, but I know it's not any other.
Olugbo is majorly Anambra native food. It's Igbo food, but it's majorly for Anambra. Like they cook the best Olugbo.
Wow. So guys, you've heard it now. If you've been trying to realize what state Olugbo is from, Chidera herself did herself. This mango is delicious.
So I've not taken cherry mango before. We are missing.
I don't know if you guys eat the back of your mango when you're having mangoes. There are some people that don't even take the back. They just take out all the
cherry mango. You want to eat the back and
it's so nice. Like it's really nice. It's not those ones that after eating you see threads. You know those other mango after eating you see threads.
That's Olomi.
This one everything is perfect. Delicious. It's just like eating apple. You know you're eating apple and everything's like you're biting out everything together. Oh my god, people will be like that. You want to make me have.
So who is your favorite Igbo artist?
Is it musician?
Musician. Let's start with musician. Then we'll talk about celebrity.
I love Chidima.
Aww.
I love her songs and also flavor. We talk about guys though.
You guys, if you have been on this channel since, if you know
but for gospel music, I like what's her name? Chinwe.
Is it Messi Chinwe? It's Messi Igbo. Messi is not Igbo. Messi is Port Harcourt.
Actually, but she sings a lot of Igbo songs.
She's not Igbo.
Are you serious? See, I don't even know what. I just love her Igbo
so
song.
Personally, if you know me well, if it is not flavor, not bania, forget about it.
Bye.
Forget about it.
Forget it.
Not flavor.
Forget it. What about female?
Female. They don't really have Igbo female musicians.
I
was saying maybe
I
like
don't much of them though.
Yeah, I like Yemi Alade. You know Yemi Alade's mom is Igbo.
Yeah.
So I love Yemi Alade. She's like my female Nigerian musician. Even if she's not fully Igbo, she has Igbo blood in her. So I love her so much. Yeah.
So long as there's a trace of Igbo.
Yeah, Yemi Alade Iberichi, that's her name. Her full name. Who is your favorite Igbo actor or actress? Actor or actress. Or call an actor and an actress.
She went hypocrite bomb. You know, this like they always say slangs in this movie. Like my mom she would always sing, you know. Yeah, we shout, mommy. Hypocrite bomb, like any movie we watch. We're waiting for the particular slang you can say in that movie. So it's always very interesting to hear one slang or the other every part of this movie.
There's even one that said, Awusa Bayenugu. Awusa Bayenugu.
She went
There was one movie that you were saying, Wenetawamba. The song, I don't know if you know that song. Wenetawamba Fadaka. Your heart is made of stone.
Yes.
Leave wickedness alone. When in Tawamba, Fadaka.
Your heart is made of stone. Leave wickedness alone.
I love that.
You.
What are the female ones?
When it comes to the female, I don't know. A lot of people say you don't like Patience Uzoko, but I love her movies. I love her movies. So I love Patience Uzoko. Like if I see any movie with Patience Uzoko, I will stay glued to my screen like this till the end of the movie. So, what about you?
My actor, my best Igbo actor. Can you guys guess? Together, Imbagada, under this Gada, with Dahuda. Oh, even together. Oh, that must be Lovina. The sister,
Even with this sister, mother.
even with coming with Amanda, the mother, going to the border, I enter Okada, smoking marijuana.
Oh, Piwala. Oh, Papa.
I love Papa so much.
Hey.
Puru one name.
People will call us dramatic people today.
Papa is the best. Papa is the best in that movie.
That's what he does.
Oh,
seriously.
Papa is the best. Oh my god. I love Papa so much. And then, who else do I like? Females. I love Rita Dominic. Jesus.
She's nice.
Can somebody have that kind of courage? Eh? Can somebody have that kind of...
And still be loved.
Her courage is on 100%, like
Unmatched.
100%. She has, if you see her movies, class. Like
I wasn't even surprised about the number of people that turned up for her wedding. That's to show that she's really loved.
yeah. So guys, we're just going to round up with our mango licking, cause the dance floor is about to be lit. I can hear the but preparing for the praise. You guys, the video you're going to watch on Niduma's channel is going to be a full movie. So if you watch this and you not watch that one, just know that you could not even watch the video, because this video itself, upon how interesting it is, it has no content compared to what is going to be on that channel. And don't forget to subscribe while you're at it, because we are getting monetized. In fact, we're already monetized. It's just that we've not applied, but maybe by the time you're seeing this video, we'll be monetized. 1K subs and
over
1K watch hours. Oh, over 1K subs and 4K watch hours. Put some respect on this name.
Some respect to my
The latest YouTube partner. And that's on period. So guys, we'll be expecting you on that channel. We're going to be filming the video now.
So end this video, how do you do your own?
Okay, if you enjoyed this video, give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube channels. Share this videos. Let's move this ministry to the permanent site. And hopefully we're going to be seeing you on Miss Dima's channel. Yeah, so for now, bye. Kiss. Love you.